Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture we had talked about principles of planning for building. In this lecture we will start drawing first floor walls, so let's get started. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open AutoCAD. Select locating rooms with the help of Sun diagram. File. Left click. Remember here that we don't have to draw this diagram of direction and reference line again and again. These are just for beginners. Once you learn to place rooms in the correct place, you will be able to place the room in the correct location without looking at this diagram. Let's pan a little bit to the left. We will first make boundary of the plot. Activate line tool, L enter. And then specify your first point, left click. As we can see that the line is not straight line. This is because of ortho mode is off. In order to turn on ortho mode, then press F8. Now give it a length of 58 feet, enter. Now move the cursor up and give it a length of 60 feet, enter. Now press escape to end command. We know that to the left and right of the plot we have neighbors, so we will make an offset of 5 feet so that we can provide windows to these sides. Activate offset tool, type O, enter. Give offset distance 5 feet, enter. Click on the left line like this and produce offset inside the house. Left click and do the same to the right side. Left click, go inside the house and then left click. Now we are ready to start drawing our walls. Press escape to come out of offset command. We will start with the left rear corner, which is a bedroom. The minimum width for a double bedroom should be 10 feet. The minimum length of bedroom should be kept as 12 feet. In our case, we will make a bedroom size of 10 feet by 14 feet. Activate the line tool, L, enter. Hover on this point. Do not click. As you can see, with the help of snap tool, we have taken a reference point. Now move the cursor to the right to a small distance. Type 10 feet. Enter. Now move the cursor down to vertical direction and type 14 feet. Enter. Now complete the inner side of the room by moving the cursor close to the end point with the help of intersection snap tool indicator. Move it till this point. Do not click and then hover to this point. Left click. Press escape to come out of the line tool. In case if your intersection snap tool is not on, then click on this small arrow and make sure that intersection is selected. Generally, thickness of the wall equal to 4 inches or 6 inches or 9 inches. Here we will make external wall 9 inches and internal wall 4 inches. So activate the offset tool, type O, enter. Give it a distance of 9 inches, enter. Click on this line and provide the offset outside the room. Left click. As we drawn the inner side lines of the room. Do the same for the right side walls. Left click and go outside of the room, left click. We will also do the same for the rear side of the room. Now press escape. Again activate offset command, O, enter. Give it an offset of 4 inches, enter. and since this is an internal wall, we will make it of 4 inches. Left click, outside of the room, and then left click. This is how can we equally form our room wall with the help of snap tool. Now press escape to come out of offset command. To check the room dimensions, we can use the quick measure feature of AutoCAD 2021. Type shortcut MEA, press enter. As we can see, it states that 10 feet by 14 feet, which is correct. Press escape to end command. Do not worry about this incomplete line and these intersections. We will remove them quickly once we have done forming the rooms. Now the important practical tip here is that the size of the room has been measured from the 9-inch thick wall. We have not considered the plaster thickness in this. This is because the plaster thickness varies from wall to wall. It also depends on the scale of the labor. Once the plaster is done, we place floors cutting along the walls. This also reduces the room size. So keep in mind that the room size are always reported for walls without plaster, so it becomes easier for the contractor to construct the room correctly. So the final size of the room will always be 3 to 4 inches less as reported in the architectural plans. Now let's draw the attached WC. Activate the line tool, L enter. Pick this point as a reference with the help of object snap tracking tool. Move the cursor to the vertical to a small distance and type 3.2 feet. Enter. Move the cursor horizontally to the right and provide 4 feet. Enter. Complete the remaining horizontal line formation with the help of object snap tool. Left click. Press escape to come out of the line tool. Provide the offset to these lines to create wall thickness as we did before. Activate offset tool or enter. 4 inches. Enter. Again, the offset will be outside as we have drawn the inner side of the walls. So left click, move the cursor outside, left click, select this line, go outside, left click. Press escape to come out of offset tool. We can see the WC dimensions through the quick measure tool like this, MEA, enter. As we can see, it is 4 feet into 3.2 inches, which is correct. Press escape to end command. Now let's form the attached bathroom. The minimum width of the bathroom should be 4 feet, and for good size bathroom it should be around 6 feet. Here we will make bathroom of 7 feet into 4 feet size. So activate the line tool, L enter, take the reference point, do not click, move the cursor down, enter a value of 4 feet, enter, and now move the cursor horizontally, enter a value of 7 feet, enter. Complete the line formation with the help of object snap tracking tool. Press escape to end command. Now give it an offset of 4 inches to form the partition wall. So type O, enter. It's already there, 4 inches, enter. Select this wall, go outside, left click, select this wall, go outside, left click. As well as select this wall, go outside, left click. Now press escape to come out of offset tool. Now let's draw the kitchen. Minimum size of the kitchen should be 8 feet by 13 feet. We are going to keep it 10 feet by 8 feet. Let's start drawing it. Activate the line tool, L, enter. Pick up the reference point, move the cursor down, do not click, give it a value of 8 feet, enter, and now move the cursor to the right side and give it a value of 10 feet, enter. Complete the formation of line with the help of object snap tracking tool. press escape to come out of tool line. Now activate offset command or enter. Enter. Select this wall and move outside. Left click. Now press escape to end command. Again offset. Enter. Give it an offset of 9 inches. Enter. Select this line. Go outside. Left click. Press escape to come out of offset tool. Now let's draw the living room. The space for the living area should be such that we can accommodate the dining table as well as the sofa set and sitting arrangement with family members together and have fun while watching television. The minimum area for living room should be 12 feet by 15 feet. Here we do not have a good size plot, so we will provide 9.8 feet by 14 feet living room. Activate line tool. Enter. Pick up the reference point. So this is our reference point. Here we will have to do left click and then move the cursor to the right side and give it a distance of 9.8 feet. Enter. Move the cursor in up direction and give it a distance of 20 feet. Enter. Complete the line formation with the help of object snap tracking tool. Left click. Press escape to come out of line tool. Now provide offset of 9 inches and then 4 inches. Type O. Enter. It's 9 inch now. Enter. Select this line. Go outside. Left click. Select this line. Go outside. Left click. Now press escape to come out of offset command. Type O. Enter. Give it an offset distance of 4 inches. Enter. Select this line. Go outside. Left click. Now press escape to come out of offset command. Now let's draw the balcony. Activate the line tool. L. Enter. Pick up the reference point. So this is our reference point. Do not click. Move the cursor up. Give it a distance of 5 feet. Enter. Now move the cursor to the right side and give it a distance of 9.8 feet. Enter. Complete the line formation with the help of object snap tracking tool. Left click. Now press escape to come out of line command. Now provide offset of 9 inch. Type O. Enter. 9 inches. Enter. Select this wall. Go outside. Select this wall. Go outside. Now press escape to end command. This balcony will contain 1 feet height brick wall at the edge in which railing will be placed. By this we have completed the first flat. Now coming to the staircase area, most of the people struggling in arranging a staircase in a plan. Staircase design requires a separate attention. We will learn how to arrange these steps, steps height, width and its length according to the building height in the next lecture. I have done the staircase design so I know how much length it will take. Activate the line tool. L. Enter. Pick up the reference point. So this is our reference point. Left click. Move the cursor to the right. Type 7.2 feet. Enter. Press escape to come out of line tool. So this area will be for our staircase as well as the lobby for the flats. Here we will have the second flat, third flat and fourth flat. Now we have to draw the remaining 3 flats. Instead of wasting time drawing each flat separately, we can make use of mirror tool to save time since all flats are same. But before that, let's quickly remove these incomplete lines and intersection. Let's make it neat and tidy with trim and extend tool. Select the entire plan like this and type EX for extend command. Press enter. Hover on the lines like this and left click to confirm extend of the line. Do the same for the other walls as well. Now press enter when done. Now let's trim the extend length lines. To make the plan neat and tidy, select the entire plan. Type TR command for trimming, press enter. Hover to the line that you want to trim. So we want to trim this one, left click. We want to trim this one, left click. Press enter when done. Type EX, enter. Select this line, press escape. Now type TR, enter. EX, enter. Now we are ready to mirror the remaining flats. We have forgot to offset this one. No worries, we can do it now. Type O, enter. 4 inches, enter. Give it an offset to outside of the room. Now press escape. Now type EX, enter. Extend this line and extend this line and this one. Now press escape, type TR, enter. Trim this one, this one. Now press escape to come out of trim command. Now we are ready to mirror all the flats. So activate mirror tool, type MI, enter. Select the object. We will select this flat. We will not select this line because it's already here, and we will make this select for this one. Press shift and then left click, and now to confirm selection, enter. Now specify the point of mirror line. So this will be our point of mirror line. Left click, move the cursor down and then left click. It's asking you, do you want to erase the source object? We will say no. Now again type MI, enter. Select the object that we want to mirror. We will not select these lines because it's a common line between these two flats. So press shift and then select them to deselected. Now to confirm selection, enter. Specify your mirror point. So this is our mirror point. Left click and then left click. No, there is a slight difference in dimension. I think we have done slight mistake, but no problem. We can type TR, enter, and then we will trim these small lines. Press escape. So now we got our all flats. So this is our first flat, second flat, third flat, fourth flat, and this will be the lobby and the staircase. We will place the staircase in this side and this one will be as a lobby. So we will delete this one and we will draw another line here in the mid. So activate line tool, L, enter. Left click, escape to end command. Select the entire plan like this. Type AX, enter. Now we will extend the lines. I think this is all for extend. So press enter to end. Now again select the entire plan, type TR to activate trim command, enter. Press enter when done. I forgot to draw the thickness of this wall, so we will do it now. Type O, enter, give it a thickness of 9 inches, enter, select this wall, move the cursor outside, left click. Now we need to trim and extend also here, so press escape and command, type EX, enter, extend this line. Now press escape, type TR, enter, and trim this one. We will also trim this. Ctrl Z. Now type EX, enter, extend this one. Now press escape. Press escape to come out of trim command. Congratulations, we have successfully placed the flats and their rooms in correct location with appropriate size. Now we need to save this document so that in next lecture inshallah we will continue drawing on it. So go to quick access toolbar, click on this icon save as, left click, and this is our save drawing as dialog. Click on create new folder, give it a name, practical AutoCAD course, bracket, architectural design, close the bracket. Now double click on this folder. We will name the file as G+3, architectural plan, bracket, CIVIL53, close the bracket, click on save. So by this we have completed the first floor walls, and that concludes this tutorial video. In the next lecture inshallah we will design the staircase for this G+3 building. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did then please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any doubts then let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next lecture inshallah.